Hello everyone, welcome back with the last Sudoku, a Tectonic with three stars in this edition of today's newspaper on Friday, October the 23rd, 2020. Yes, the last Sudoku is a Tectonic with 3 stars. And this Sudoku will be number 1795. Yes. Alright, so let's get started. And the first question, can we find here the single box? I see here the single box. The single box is always a 1. That means all the blank boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So those 2 boxes cannot be a 1s. In this area, we need a 1 and a 5. This cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there, and the 5 goes here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. These 2 should be the 1 and the 2. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Triple box, 2 and a 3 are missing. 2 and a 3 because we have a 1 already filled in. 2 and a 3, we see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. Dual box, 1 and a 2 are missing. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. In this area, one of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5, so those boxes surround the 5 cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. The 2 and the 1 are missing. Let me mark them for you. 2 and a 1. Then 2 boxes left. The 1 and the 5 are missing. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. Well. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here or could be there. This is the difficult part. Yeah. These 3 boxes surround the 4 cannot be a 4. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 2 because it cannot be a 1. Should be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 2. This box should be a 1 because it cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 1. That means this box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means I cannot place a 3 here. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this is not the solution. It cannot be a 3. The 3 should be in there. These two boxes cannot be a 3. Those two boxes cannot be a 3. So the 3 goes in and those two boxes. That means these two boxes cannot be a 3. Otherwise I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So one box left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes there. One box left in this area for the number 5. These 3 boxes cannot be a 5. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 5. So one box left for the 5 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So one box left for the 2 should be here. Then this box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So one box left for the 2 should be here. 1, 2, 3, the 4, and the 5 are left. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes and there. Now we have a 2 here. So this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be a 1. This box, I think this should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be 3, cannot be a 4. Should be a 5. 1 and the 4 are left. Let me mark them. 1 and the 4. Yes. Those two boxes cannot be a 1 because I need a 1 in one of those two boxes. That box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means this box cannot be a 1, otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. That box cannot be a 1, so one box left for the 1 should be here. The 2 and the 3 are left. 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. That means, look, those two boxes cannot be a 3. I need a 3 in one of those two boxes. That box cannot be a 3 because I need one of those two boxes a 3. So this box cannot be, those two cannot be. This box can also not be a 3. So one box left for the 3 should be there. That means those two boxes cannot be a 3, so one box left for the 3 should be here. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be a 3. The 1 and the 4 are left. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. The 4 and the 5 are left. We have a 5 here, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And the 4 goes there. That means these 3 boxes surround the 5 cannot be a 5, so the 5 goes and there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 4. These two boxes cannot be a 4, so one box left for the 4 should be there. The 3 and the 1 are left. We have a 1 here, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Those two boxes cannot be a 4. This box cannot be a 4, so one box left for the 4 should be there. This box cannot be a 2, that box cannot be a 2, so one box left for the 2 should be here. The 1 and the 3 are left. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. These two boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 goes in those two boxes. 2 and a 3. How about the 3, the 2. Well. Ay. We have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. So this should be the 5, and I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be a 3. Finish in 9 minutes. All right, a great Sudoku. I like this one. 3 stars, Tectonic. Do Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe, and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you next time. Tomorrow it will be. So have a great day, and bye bye for now.